Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Normal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing and the setup of the Mi Home Security Camera 360 which is recently announced in India. So this is a home security product and this is priced 2699. So this is available on mi.com. So this is a basic security camera, but this comes with really good options. It has AI motion detection and HD video recording and also infrared night vision camera and talkback feature. So this is a full-fledged camera which has a lot of additional features included. So this is priced 2699 and this is the box packing of the Mi Home Security Camera, that's 360, and you can see the features mentioned here. So the highlight of this camera is that it can record videos in 1080p resolution, that's full HD recording, and there is night vision included. So there is AI motion detection alert, so whenever it detects a motion where you are installed this camera, it will notify the user of the alert via the smartphone which is connected to this. So a lot of advanced features included. There is night vision which improves compared to the local or rather the traditional security camera, and it comes with full color in low light mode, so that's something pretty useful. So this is the box packing, and we're going to do the unboxing first. So let's open this box and take out the camera. So on the top you get this manual. This is the user manual and how to get started. So you need to have the Mi Home app to connect it, and this supports micro SD card support up to 64 gigabyte. So in case you want to expand the storage, you can use a 64 gigabyte micro SD card, and this has quite good options as well. So this is the manual. You can get started with this manual, and let's take this out. So there you go. Let's see what all comes inside. So first is the charger. So this is the charger unit, the power supply, and this is at 5 volt 2 ampere, so that's the charging for this. And then you also get the micro USB charging cable, power adapter cable. So this is kind of a good length for you to connect it, and then you also get this stand to actually fix it on the wall or roof wherever you want. You can see that it comes with this is the mechanism, so you can just screw this to the wall and fix it there. So finally we have the camera included. So this is the camera available. So there you go. So let's just take this out. So that's the camera. So the camera has multiple areas. So if you just swipe up, you can see this is the area where you can install the micro SD card. This is the camera, and this is the speaker for talkback feature, and there's a night vision camera and the Mi logo. The bottom you can see the option to lock this. So this is the stand for, you can just lock this. So this is how you fix it. So once you have screwed this to the wall or the roof, you can just rotate and fix it. So it's pretty simple installation, just 2 screws it requires, and that is also included with the box pack. Now let's start this camera, and we'll just connect this to the Mi Home app, and we'll show you the camera quality. So now we have the Mi Home app. So let's add a device. So it's searching for the devices. So you can see that Mi Home security camera is detected nearby. So now let's tap on this, and let's connect to the network. Then you can see it will generate a QR code where you can scan the camera.
Waiting for connection. QR code scanned successfully. Connecting. Please wait.
So now the QR code has been connected successfully. So now you can see that the Mi Home security camera has been connected. So this is the camera we are connected. So if I shake, you can see the images also get shake. So this is a live video. You can just pan or zoom here. You can see that this is how I can pan leftward or rightward or top or bottom, and you can also set the video quality low HD. If you select HD, the streaming would be, so you can see that now the quality has been improved. Now it's HD video quality. Then you can make a video call, voice call to the person where the camera has been set. You can take pictures. Then there is also option for monitoring. So if you go here, you can see there there is a home monitoring included. So monitoring time 24 hours, alert sensitivity high, you can set alert sensitivity, so detects motion from people or objects, not a single movement will be missed. Then lower sensitivity can also be set in case you don't want every other single movement to be detected. Then alarm interval, you can see, and you can also enable push notification. That means it will notify whenever a movement is detected. Say for example, we'll just try this functionality. So movement detected inside the surveillance area, that's what here. So you can also make recordings here. You can just press this and start recording. You can do this. This is how you can record videos here. And you can, once you're done with the recording, you can just click on this and this will save here. So that's the Mi Home security camera. Now let's go to the settings. So camera settings, then you can see that night vision settings are included. So under the night vision, you can see that full color with low light can be enabled, so you can turn it off automatically. So that's how it works. And there is infrared imaging available included with this camera. So that's the night vision settings. Otherwise there is also home monitoring, as I said before. Then you can manage storage, automation is included. You can add some options there. Then general settings, you can set the firmware and other options as well. So that's the Mi Home security camera hands-on and how to set it up. So this is a good security option for your home, and you can monitor your home or office with this camera. This is priced just at 2699. That's a very good pricing for the security camera, and this works really nice. So this is available on mi.com and you can buy it from there. So that was unboxing, hands-on, and the setup of the Mi Home security camera, which has been announced by Xiaomi in India recently. So this is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.